Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life. In this video, we are going to talk about Salesforce Business Analyst role and how I became one. I'm currently employed as Salesforce Business Analyst in an MNC, which is a product-based company, and I'm getting around 11 LPA. And I've not switched this role further. And if I have to switch to another organization, I would be getting at least 15 to 16 LPA. But I'm currently waiting for my company to give me a raise, and that could match the industry standard. I would be staying in this company, or I'll switch somewhere else. So this is how the IT industry work. So having said that, 15 to 16 LPA is quite great salary with having 3 years of experience. So if you want to know how I reached here, I'll be sharing every detail in this video, and you have to stay tuned till the end, because in the end I'm gonna be sharing something very magical for you to get into the IT industry very quickly. So yeah, let's get straight into the video and know every detail to become a Salesforce Business Analyst. So talking about the Salesforce Business Analyst role, we have two things over here. One is the Salesforce Admin functionalities or Salesforce Advanced Admin functionalities that would require in the Salesforce Business Analyst role. Another thing is business analysis. So combining these two, we become a Salesforce Business Analyst. So this role does not deals with only one aspect of Salesforce or business analysis. It requires the knowledge of both. So you need to have knowledge of Salesforce Admin and Advanced Admin functionalities. Also, you have to have knowledge of everything that is required to become a business analyst. So having said that, how can you gain the expertise into this particular role? So talking about the Salesforce, only Salesforce is a CRM platform. It also has a force.com, which is a development platform, but we would require to work on only to the CRM platform. We would require to collaborate with the developers as a Salesforce business analyst, but we don't need to code anywhere. We just need to know admin functionalities, which are part of the role. So having said that, you need to have the knowledge of advanced admin and admin functionalities of Salesforce. So how can you get those things? How can you get the knowledge of both these things that I've mentioned? You can go to the trailhead, or you can search on the YouTube Apex Hours playlist. You will realize that everything that you need to know as a Salesforce admin is given over here. Also, if you search on the trailhead such as Salesforce Admin module or Salesforce Advanced Admin module, you will find out the entire module that has been listed into the Salesforce trailhead platform, and you will get every detail of it. And yeah, you can practice everything over there. Also, alternatively, what you can do is create a account on salesforce.com, your account on salesforce.com platform, and practice everything that you've learned through trailhead or through YouTube videos on the salesforce.com platform itself by creating a free account on the Salesforce platform. And it would require around 2 months to master admin functionalities, and 1 more month to master advanced admin functionalities. So another aspect of this particular role is business analysis. So business analysis is combination of 3 things, which is data visualization, SQL, or advanced Excel skills. And the another thing is you need to have the knowledge of requirement gathering, project distribution, project handling, and these kind of expertise you must have. So how can you get the knowledge of that? So basically what you need to do is learn Tableau or Power BI firstly. Second thing is you need to go through all the SQL querying, and I've created a video on SQL solely, so you can check that out. I will link that in the description box below, and you can learn SQL from there. Another thing is Excel, obviously. So you need to have advanced knowledge of Excel. So that is primarily required for the business analyst role. So here you have to have knowledge of advanced Excel skills. And the last part is business analysis. Business analysis is not something that you can get the knowledge by reading something, but there is a certification course by Coursera that you can go through, which is a business intelligence analyst role certification. I will link that in the description box below, which is quite great, and it is a 20-hour course, so it would not take much time. So around this business analysis role, you will require around 2 to 3 months. So all in all, you will have 4 months to complete Salesforce business analysis. And after you go through everything in the Salesforce business analysis, you start applying through the jobs in Naukri or on LinkedIn, and you will see that there are very less number of people who are applying for such roles. So you will have a chance to grab a job offer for same. Please choose wisely. Get distracted by all the videos that you see on vision of your career by yourself. So that's all I wanted to say. Yeah, it's a very good opportunity. And if you have not thought of becoming a Salesforce business analyst, what you can do is you can become analyst in any kind of domain. So you can search the jobs around AWS analysis or SAP BI analyst. You will realize that there are a bunch of jobs that are for the domain specific jobs. So if you have thought of becoming an analyst, you must think that okay, you have to learn some domain or some cloud platform, then you have to become an analyst in the industry. That's all I wanted to say in this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any doubt, query or anything, you can contact me in the comment section below, or if you want to know me one-to-one, you can like request for a Topmate call. So yeah, this was it. Meet you next time. I hope you are all taking care of your family and your friends. So yeah, bye bye for now.